Hey everyone, it's Emily with BioWriter Solutions. I just wanted to do a quick overview of the themes for Aspen Discovery using the Aspen administration menu. So starting from the home page here, you're going to want to just go to this hamburger menu and click on Aspen Administration. And down in this box, Theme and Layout, we're just going to go into themes today. As you can see, we already have two themes set up. You can edit those or view the edit history, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a new theme today. So the first thing you want to do is put in the name, and then you can choose if it extends a theme that you already have. For example, I'm going to choose default. This is great for consortium, library groups, schools. That way you can use the same theme, but choose different logos, favicons, or any other aspects that you want to change. So this is fully customizable. You can change everything. You can put in a footer image, and you can change the heading font, which in the 2012 update includes Merriweather. You can also change the body font, and you can upload your own custom fonts and additional CSS if you want. One of the great things about this that I like is the contrast ratio over here. If it's green, you'll see that it's accessible. If it's yellow, it's a little less accessible, like that black on red isn't going to look as great. And then red is when it's not accessible. Fortunately, all of the defaults are accessible. So you can change everything, including menu, modal dialog box, browse categories, badges, panels. You can also change all the different buttons, so you have full customization there. And down here at libraries and locations is where you're going to assign the libraries to that theme. So for example, this one is going to be for the East Branch only. Save that. And as you can see, now it's up here. You can edit that one, view the edit history as well. You can also compare two themes. So you can see the differences between the two themes. And if, for example, the differences don't match up the way you want them to, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and choose to edit them again. So I hope that was helpful, and you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.